Wanted to make this for SilverBack Epoxy. This is a Kong Armor Lifetime Deck Armor System project here in Cincinnati, Ohio. But for all the SilverBack Epoxy tribe, all the people that follow us on our socials and online, I want to show you guys just how stunningly gorgeous these deck posts here on this 50-year-old deck turned out. I mean, just unbelievably gorgeous where we filled in the checking on all this with the SilverBack. 3 to 5 times harder than concrete. The world's toughest deck post crack filler, deck post checking filler, general deck repair epoxy. We use tons of it through down here on these deck posts to fill in everything, even in the band boards up there. Even on the deck, band board, the ledge, and then the band board, carpenter bee holes, all kinds of stuff in here. And we brought SilverBack in here and we injected it into all that and filled it in. Then we came in with the Kong Armor, the Lifetime Deck Armor, and coated over all this, and just look how stunning. I mean, look at that synthetic appearance. This ordinary olive color with all those imperfections filled in. Boy, oh boy, is it just something pretty. It's just something pretty to look at. You rarely see wood decks, rarely, with this beautiful of perfection in their post. It's something that you guys won't see very often. I mean, 1 in 1,000 decks, and they're either done usually by Kong Armor or you won't ever see it. I mean, just beautiful, gorgeous posts with no openings. High build appearance, high build synthetic appearance. Wow. I just wanted to show you guys what's possible when you utilize SilverBack Epoxy to fill in cracks and openings and voids during the refinishing process. I wanted to show you guys what's physically possible once you top coat it, the appearance that you can draw out. Just stunning. My goodness.